How to fix URL signature expired in Messenger. So if you want to fix the URL signature expired in Messenger, then first you need to open up your settings. Under settings, you just need to simply scroll down, go with apps option. Under apps, you need to tap on see all apps. Scroll down, and here you need to find the Messenger application. Tap on Messenger. Now you just need to simply go to storage and cache. Under storage and cache, clear the cache and also clear the storage if you remember your login information. So go and clear your storage and your cache. Once you've cleared, you need to go with force stop, tap on it, and again tap on OK. And after that, scroll down, and here you will have open by default option. Tap on that, and here you will have an option of open supported links. So make sure that you've toggled on the option of open supported links. And after that, you just need to simply restart your device, and after restarting, your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix your URL signature expired in Messenger. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.